Have you ever wondered how to create a professional, viral K-pop music video with just a few clicks? Today, we're diving into the future of AI music videos using Freebeat AI and its powerful new agent feature. We're going to generate a track from scratch and transform it into a high-quality masterpiece. If you want to master the power of AI for your content creation, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the desired channel. This is the homepage of Freebeat AI. I've placed the link in the description so you can click it and come directly to this page. I previously did a full introduction of this site in another video. It has many features you can use. Today, we're going to test and review a recently introduced feature to see how it performs. To start, we click Login at the top right. A box appears where you can log in using your Google or Apple account, or your personal email. I'll log in with my Gmail here. Once logged in, you'll see the Apps tab at the top. When you hover over it, you'll see various features like Dance Video, AI Video Generator, Image Upscaler, Music Generator, and many more. As I mentioned, I've already done a general review of this site in one of my previous videos. To begin, I want to create a song with this platform, so I click on the Music Generator option. After clicking, we enter this page. Here, you can see the tools available for music creation, such as Suno, Minimax, Stable Audio, and Sonato. In this tutorial, I want to use Suno version 3.5. By enabling this option, you can tell it to create music for you or a song that includes lyrics and vocals, but I'll leave that option turned off. Below, you can enter your request whatever idea or concept you have in mind. I'll type this phrase, K-pop concert track, explosive drop, high energy, catchy hook, crowd hype. After writing, I'll hit Create. We go directly to this page where everything you generate is automatically saved in different sections with its own titles. You can wait for your music to be built. I've already made a lot of music with this platform, which you can see here. The great thing is that you can create plenty of music for personal use even with a free account. Let's wait together for the music to be ready and listen to it. Note that some of the more advanced tools are paid and require a subscription. My music is ready, let's check it out. In this section, you can see the lyrics of your track. Let's listen to the generated music and see how it sounds.
Step in, feel the floor move, hands up, I can just shake you. One flash, then the whole room turn wild when I said your name. Eyes wide, now they all lean, back row, singing at me, one beat, and then feel that goes wild, take it higher. If you came to scream, come with us. No sleep, only motion, every face in the ocean. We crash in the moment and nobody lets go. Hold up, count it down with me. 3, 2.
Excellent. It created a high-energy, concert-style K-pop track for us. You can download and save it to your system from this part. Now, let's move to the most important part of the video, the platform's agent. We click on Agent from the left side. Once on this page, we click Add Music. You can use previously created tracks or upload your own music. I want to upload the track I just made with this platform. I click Upload Music, select my file, and upload it. After a short while, our music is uploaded. From this section, you can move the selection and choose any part you want to be featured in the music video. When you click on Duration Preset, you'll see the time options. On a free account, you can create up to 15 credits. If I click on Full or a longer duration, this page opens showing the paid plans. That's why I'll stick with 15 seconds. Now, I'll select the part of my music that I personally like or that has more excitement. You can listen first, find the seconds you like, and scroll here to select that specific part. Once we've chosen our desired section, we hit Create, and the 15-second segment of our music is selected. Here, you can enter your prompt. I'll give it this prompt: turn this track into a K-pop concert MV, intense dance, crowd, lights, hype energy. It also gives you suggestions that you can choose from. Now, when we click on Character, this box opens. You can choose from the characters available on this platform according to your taste, or you can click Add Character to upload your own personal character. I don't want to choose a character right now, so I'll skip this step. Here, you can choose the aspect ratio. I'll select 16:9, which is suitable for YouTube and desktop. You can also choose the video quality, like 720p or 1080p. I'll pick 1080p for high quality. Now, we click on Style. There are many different styles: photorealistic, anime, 3D animation, sketch, and many more. I don't want to choose a specific style, so I'll skip this part as well. In the caption section, you can choose to have subtitles for the music that appear while the song plays. At the bottom, there are two options, Fast and Expert. I'll choose Expert because I want my video to be high quality. It takes longer, but I want something premium without any bugs. If you click on Auto, it does everything automatically, and you can't make any changes. It handles the process from A to Z. By clicking this other option, you can choose to keep your video public or private. Finally, I'll hit Create and wait for the platform's agent to start working. When the agent starts working and thinking, it builds a plan. It goes through music analysis, style references, sequences, storyboarding, and finally, video creation and merging, one by one. After each step, it writes what it has done and what it's considering on the right side. If you approve, you click Continue. If not, you can type your request and change that part. Now it's analyzing my music, and after each part is finished, you can see how many seconds the process took. While analyzing your music, it writes on the right side what the mood of the music is and what emotional elements or characters should be placed at different seconds. I click Continue again, and the agent starts thinking again, this time to create the styles. During the style creation, it writes the color palette and framework on the right. If you don't like it, you can ask it to change. Since I just want to test it, I'll just hit Continue, but if you want to change something, you can type it and ask. It starts creating the brief, which takes a bit longer, then we hit Continue to move to reference image creation. It builds our raw images. Once the raw images are ready, you can change any you don't like, and if you like them, hit Continue to proceed. The next stage is Sequences, where it builds the sequences of our video. It continues building the sequences with the appropriate atmosphere and lighting we requested at the beginning. After building the sequences, it's time for shots and shot planning. So far, it shows that 110 credits have been deducted, and I confirm to continue. In the next step, it creates my storyboard, which costs another 27 credits. After the storyboard is ready, it starts creating the videos one by one. The sequences it built are now being converted into video. Once each one is converted and approved, you can hit Continue for it to start merging them. Our video is finished. Let's watch it together.
Hold up, count it down with me. 3, 2, 1, now everybody breathe. Feel it rising closer, closer now. When I call your name, we blow the ceiling now. Hands up, we go.
It was incredible and bug-free. A new method for creating amazing videos. I made a K-pop one that I absolutely love. One important thing to note, this process took a long time because I didn't choose the fast option at the beginning and went with expert instead. That's why it took so much time, but the output was very high quality and seamless. From the left side, by clicking on Toolbox, you can see other tools. It has many AI tools, but today I just wanted us to review the music video agent together. I hope you enjoyed this K-pop music video we created together. The power of AI is truly mind-blowing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts on this platform in the comments. For more videos on the latest AI tools, make sure to subscribe to the desired channel. Goodbye.